How's it going, people? Scott here, and eBay, eBay. Look, I know it's not the thing to do when you're buying hyped up sneakers or sneakers that have a high resale value, but like I've said before, you can find some amazing shoes on there. If you aren't into hype, if you just want some good looking sneakers, or you can find some stuff that slips through the cracks. This in case wasn't that because these shoes aren't hype. Um, they were $9, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, they were completely trash when I got them. Not saying that they don't look trash now because of whatever, but the painting and whatever I did, don't kill me. Don't kill me in the comment section. Don't kill me. I'm not a professional painter, not a professional restorator. I'm just a guy who collects shoes and sometimes restores them or whatever. So here we have it. This is the Reebok Pump Silver Metallic. So what was wrong with this shoe was it was dirty, first of all. Second of all around the midsole was just completely either cracking or just dirty to the point of even the fact that I think like what was it Salon Care 40 couldn't even whiten out this part. So what I decided to do was, and like I said, this is not professional paint job or whatever. Uh, I took white paint, white I think it was acrylic paint or whatever, and I painted this whole midsole. And then when I started looking at pictures, I finally found pictures of the shoe. This back heel part of the midsole is supposed to be metallic. So what I did was I went over the back part of the midsole with, you probably can't see it on this camera, but I went over it with metallic paint. The metallic, what do you call it? Metallic, I think it was like metallic glitter paint. Yes, sorry, metallic glitter paint. And then when that dried, I took all the tape off. It kind of took some parts off, so I'm gonna have to repaint this a little bit. But went over there and then I spray painted this entire midsole with a matte base, a clear matte base to just lock in everything. Maybe probably shouldn't do that. But anyway, the shoe was $10, so I really don't care. It's the point of the silhouette. I just really want the pump silhouette, and plus you don't really see this color too much. This is pretty much one of those colorways that's, like I said, didn't get a lot of hype, didn't get a lot of love, but it's a classic '90s vibe. And I can't wait to wear these myself. And plus, it has the limited edition on the back, so um, I guess there was only a couple made, but the guy whoever had this didn't take care of it. Uh, they also had a gold metallic. I haven't seen that on the internet, like on eBay or whatever. I don't think I've seen that on Goat or StockX. So finding the silver metallic to me was a hell of a steal. It came with green and red laces. I just put the red laces in this one. So I just go over the shoe real quick. Toe box is in this metallic type thing. I went over it also with some of that silver metallic glitter paint. So you probably can't see it on camera, but in person, this thing is shining like a disco ball. Toe box is, I guess, like a suede-ish or whatever. I don't know really what this material would be. I'm thinking suede or nubuck. I'm probably thinking like a nubuck because it's like real short hair. Moving around to the side, you got metallic and little hints of that suede or nubuck in places. You got this plastic gray piece, gray, yeah, because it's silver right here, gray plastic piece. You get to the top, you got more of this. I'm going to say this is like nubuck, yeah, this nubuck. You got more metallic with the limited edition right here. Right to the side, basically the same thing. The tongue, you got a full leather tongue with the pump. Throwback. This is just throwback vibes. Like you got your joggers, you got your sweats on, and then you bend over and just pump these. People, hold up, pump. I thought they stopped making those. Yeah, they did, but restoration. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, And this is the funny part. This is the real funny part. The paint was done by me, so whatever. Uh, the outsole, this hasn't been worn. Like I, I know it looks that way because I put the paint in whatever, and I misdid it. I mistakenly put this in paint while painting. Whatever. So as you can see from the sole, no dirt, no nothing. Besides what I did, this is all me. This shoe was all me. I'm not selling it because nobody's checking for this shoe. So whatever. Um, that's amazing. I mean, it's got like a little pebble, so the guy might have worn it a little bit, but not to the point of it just being completely dead. So, what that tells me is either he kept it in a really, or they kept it in uh, really bad condition, as far as when they put it somewhere where it got scratched or the paint or whatever, or I don't know, it kept it outside, or it just got old from it just got it yellowed and that whatever. So me personally, this is one I'm glad having the collection because of the vintage look, but it's also that metallic upper. You can see it. It's a sort of like cracked aluminum foil, but it has that shine to it. Just it's a rough feel, but it's also had that shine. I was thinking about painting the whole entire shoe with that silver metallic, but I think that would be maybe a little too much or whatever. So we're just gonna let it shine on the toe box. Hello, little dog. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about these. I know, like I said, don't kill me in the comment section about the paint job. Just trying to get the shoe in the best shape. And to me, the pop right here on the midsole with the uh, silver glitter metallic on the back, transitioning from that white, that's a really nice touch. And then you also, like I said, got the glitter touch up on the front. Like I said, this is I'm proud of myself for restoring this shoe back to I'm not gonna say like full glory, but to decency. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, the Reebok Pump Silver Metallic. Yeah, really glad to have this in the collection. So anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.